Hi, welcome. My name is achrislive, back with another video. This YouTube video is different. It's kind of a vlog. It's not like previous video where I'll share technologies and ideas and cool stuff tech related. This is kind of a vlog, a fun one. So as you wanted me to share it with you, here's the fun video. This was a cool experience, my first time trying the go-karting, but I had to train, and after the training, so I had to go with the senior for the qualification. I was a bit slow because obviously it was my first time, but it was a cool moment to share with you and to share also with the public. So here's the seniors, the final lap, because there was a lot of people and I arrived late. Due to that, we had to share the short amount of time we had and do the best we can. This was Saturday evening. So yeah, at this stage I was thinking that I was doing the best I can.
Actually, I realized that while I was doing the cutting, someone just did. Let me just put the mask up. So, long story short, while I was doing the cutting, the person who was actually recording me took the footage in monofocus, and it's not good. Let's meet tomorrow for an experience. I think I'll show you more about the video and everything. Yeah, that's Kigali right now, obviously, that I'm in. I'll come back tomorrow at 10 a.m. and do the remaining challenges. Yeah, thanks everyone. So see you guys tomorrow. The thing is junior qualifications, so I have to wait for my turn for the seniors. Yeah, basically when my Lavalier got off, it got out of power, so I have to wait to charge it. I have to give you the best sound, so I have to wait another 2 hours probably. Bye.
Hi, so never mind about the earphones. I'm just testing if my sound is really on point. I just finished my lap, so I did 58 seconds. Yeah, 58 seconds. And the best lap actually was 48 seconds. So imagine 48 seconds. That guy actually did the best. So we're waiting for the results. If we qualify, I think they're going to choose top 10. I'll let you know. If not, I'm just heading back home. And that will be the end of the vlog if I don't qualify. So let me just go grab a drink and yeah, I'll get back to you soon. Peace.